The Aeromobile 5.0 Vision is a revolutionary flying car that's set to change how we travel. This sleek four-seater vehicle combines the best features of cars, airplanes, and cutting-edge technology to offer an entirely new way to get around. With two electric propellers for vertical takeoff and a Rotex 912 engine for extra power, it can take off like a plane and drive like a car. The wings even fold back when driving, giving it the versatility to move seamlessly between road and air. With a flight range of 700 kilometers, the Aeromobile 5.0 Vision is built for long-distance travel, making it perfect for those who want both speed and convenience. This futuristic vehicle is designed for supercar enthusiasts and aviation lovers alike, offering an unmatched combination of luxury and innovation. Whether you're driving on the road or soaring through the sky, the Aeromobile 5.0 Vision provides the ultimate blend of adventure and practicality. The Airbus Pop is an exciting new concept that aims to solve city traffic by combining both ground and air travel. This innovative design features a carbon fiber passenger capsule that can work as a regular city car when attached to a battery-powered ground module. But it doesn't stop there. The capsule can also connect to an air module with 8 rotors, allowing it to take off and land vertically, like a mini helicopter. Fully electric and zero emission, the Pop is built to be eco-friendly and help reduce congestion in crowded cities. The real magic happens with its AI system, which plans and optimizes your journey, making your travels smoother and more efficient. Passengers can easily book and manage their trips through an app, allowing for seamless on-demand transport. Whether you're moving through the city streets or flying above the traffic, the Airbus Pop is designed to make urban travel faster, greener, and more convenient. Autonomous pods, cities in Texas, like Arlington, Dallas, Frisco, Plano, and Sugar Land, are considering a new way to travel with renewable-powered aerial gondolas. Known as Whoosh, this system promises to be a fast, flexible, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional public transportation. The gondolas will travel along elevated tracks, helping reduce traffic and using less energy than buses or trains. While some people worry about the cost and whether it will work, the company is moving ahead with a test project in Queenstown, New Zealand, which is expected to launch by 2027. If the test is successful, this futuristic transportation could change how people get around in cities across Texas and even other places. It could make commuting faster, greener, and easier, offering a new, cleaner option for urban travel. Whoosh is a big step toward improving the way we think about transportation, helping to create a smarter, more sustainable future. The Bellwether is an exciting new vehicle concept that combines the ability to fly and drive, changing the way we move around cities. This electric vehicle can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for both the road and the sky. With its sleek design and advanced autonomous systems, it's easy to use, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. Designed with sustainability in mind, the Bellwether runs on electricity, reducing emissions and noise, making it an eco-friendly option compared to traditional vehicles. Its flexible, modular design means it can be used for personal transportation or even emergency services, giving it a wide range of applications. In the crowded cities of the future, the Bellwether could be the answer to reducing traffic and improving travel efficiency. Whether you're flying over the city or driving through it, this vehicle offers an innovative and exciting way to get from point A to point B. The Bellwether is a big leap forward in urban mobility. Boom Supersonic. Boom Supersonic is bringing back super-fast air travel with its next-generation jet, the Overture. This sleek aircraft is built to fly at Mach 1.7, which is over twice as fast as today's regular planes. That means you could fly from New York to London in just 3.5 hours, saving lots of time without giving up comfort. But Boom isn't just focused on speed. The Overture is designed to be environmentally friendly by using 100% sustainable aviation fuel, helping to lower pollution and support cleaner skies. Inside, the Overture offers a premium flying experience with spacious seats and high-end amenities that make long trips feel shorter and more enjoyable. The aircraft's shape is made to be super aerodynamic, helping it fly efficiently while keeping passengers comfortable. One of the biggest improvements is noise control. Boom is using new technology to reduce the loud sonic booms that were a problem in older supersonic jets, making flights quieter for people on the ground. Celeste Zafalto is a one-of-a-kind luxury balloon that takes you on a peaceful, breathtaking journey to the edge of space. Instead of blasting off like a rocket, it floats gently up to 30 kilometers, 98,000 feet, using an advanced high-altitude balloon. From a beautiful pressurized capsule, passengers get to see Earth like never before. Huge panoramic windows give you a clear view of the planet below and the stars above. The inside of the capsule is designed to feel like a luxury lounge in the sky, complete with stylish interiors, cozy seating, and thoughtful amenities. Everything is built to make the ride smooth and relaxing, so you can enjoy every moment of the slow ascent through the layers of the atmosphere. What makes Zafalto even more special is its focus on the environment. It uses clean, eco-friendly technology to give you this unforgettable view without leaving a heavy footprint. The Concept e-bike 1865 is a unique electric bike that mixes retro charm with modern technology, honoring the beginnings of cycling. Inspired by the year when pedal-powered bikes first appeared, this bike combines classic elements like large wheels and a simple frame with the latest electric features. Designed by BASF, it's powered by an electric motor that offers a smooth, easy ride, while its lightweight design and removable battery make it convenient for everyday use. What sets this e-bike apart is its focus on sustainability, using innovative materials that are eco-friendly. The Concept e-bike 1865 perfectly blends the old with the new, offering a stylish way to enjoy cycling, whether you're drawn to its vintage look or its high-tech performance. It's a bike that celebrates cycling's past while embracing the future of e-mobility. Perfect for those who appreciate both design and innovation, the Concept e-bike 1865 is a fun, eco-conscious way to get around. The Airlander Tense, also known as the Flying Bum, because of its unique shape, is a huge and exciting new airship made by a British company called Hybrid Air Vehicles. It's about the length of a football field and as tall as 6 double-decker buses. This hybrid aircraft flies using a mix of helium, like a balloon, and special engines with propellers, making it more stable and fuel-efficient. It was first made for the US Army for long missions, but later redesigned for peaceful, everyday uses like tourism, transport, and surveillance. The Airlander 10 is not only large, but also eco-friendly, producing low emissions compared to regular planes. One of its coolest features is that it can stay in the air for up to 5 days and can take off and land without a runway, on grass, ice, or even water. Production is planned for 2025, and people are already excited to see it in action by 2026. Govee Airjet. The Govee Airjet is a smart, electric aircraft designed for flying short distances over cities. It has a sleek, modern look and can travel up to 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, covering over 200 kilometers, 124 miles on one charge. The best part? It's fully autonomous, meaning it flies on its own, no pilot needed. Inside, the experience is just as exciting. The Pixel Galaxy Starlight roof creates a glowing, starry sky effect that makes every ride feel special. Whether you're heading to work or just going for a ride, the Airjet makes the journey enjoyable and smooth. Safety is a top priority. The Airjet includes advanced systems to keep passengers safe and is expected to receive airworthiness certification by 2025. It's quiet, clean, and doesn't create pollution, making it a great choice for future-friendly city travel. The Govee Airjet is built to change how we move through cities. By flying above traffic, it helps reduce road congestion and cuts down travel time. Hydra Concept Motorcycle. The Hydra Concept Motorcycle is a bold look into the future of transportation, combining stunning design with advanced features. Designed to be both eco-friendly and high-performance, this bike runs on electric power and uses lightweight, durable materials to ensure a smooth, powerful ride. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape not only gives it a modern look, but also improves efficiency and handling, making it as practical as it is stylish. Packed with smart features, the Hydra offers adaptive riding modes that adjust to your needs and integrated safety systems to keep you safe on the road. Its smart connectivity ensures you stay linked to the digital world while riding, making it the perfect mix of technology and mobility. The Hydra is designed with sustainability in mind, aiming to reduce environmental impact without sacrificing speed or performance. Hyundai Instaroid EV concept. The Hyundai Instaroid EV concept is a striking futuristic vision of the brand's compact electric SUV, blending the excitement of gaming with high-performance motorsport. With its aggressive wide-body design, large rear spoiler, and bold pixelated LED taillights, the Instaroid turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the car has a race-ready feel, featuring bucket seats, a roll cage, and a digital display that looks like it came straight from a video game. Although the Instaroid isn't going into production, it shows off Hyundai's creative take on what happens when digital culture meets the future of cars. This electric vehicle concept is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the possibilities of tomorrow's automotive designs. With its powerful style and next-gen features, the Instaroid offers a thrilling look at what could be the future of driving. Hyundai's Instaroid is sure to inspire new innovations and captivate the next generation of drivers. Jump Aero JA1. The Jump Aero JA1 is a cutting-edge electric aircraft designed to make emergency response faster and more efficient. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is built to quickly transport first responders to accident or medical emergency sites, even in busy cities or remote areas. Its compact, high-speed design helps it bypass traffic, saving crucial time when every second counts. The JA1 runs on electric propulsion, which means it's not only fast, but also quiet and eco-friendly. It reduces noise and emissions, making it a sustainable choice for emergency services. The aircraft also has dedicated space for essential equipment, ensuring that first responders can carry everything they need to handle emergencies efficiently. With its ability to reach places quickly and deliver personnel and supplies directly to the scene, the Jump Aero JA1 offers a new way to respond to emergencies. Kenworth Supertruck 2. The Kenworth Supertruck 2 is a game-changing semi-truck that combines advanced technology with incredible efficiency. After 6 years of development with help from the U.S. Department of Energy, this concept truck is 136% more efficient than its predecessor, reaching up to 12.8 miles per gallon. Its sleek design, inspired by bullet trains, cuts aerodynamic drag by 48% thanks to features like a reverse blade chassis and fully enclosed wheels. Under the hood, a powerful 440 horsepower PACCAR MX-11 engine works with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, pushing the engine efficiency to a record-breaking 55.7%. Inside, drivers will find a high-tech cabin with a central seating position, a 15-inch digital display, and a smartly redesigned sleeper berth that includes a fold-down Murphy bed and a rotating table. This truck isn't just about performance. It's about making long hauls more comfortable and environmentally friendly. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is an incredible flying motorcycle that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, futuristic design. Created by French custom vehicle designer Ludovic Lazareth, this unique bike can quickly switch from a traditional motorcycle to a flying hover bike. It's powered by a powerful 470 horsepower jet turbine engine, with 4 jet engines mounted on each wheel hub, allowing it to take off and fly. On the ground, it operates just like any other motorcycle, offering a smooth and easy ride. What's amazing is how seamlessly it shifts from riding to flying, giving you the thrill of both experiences in one vehicle. The body is built from lightweight, strong materials, making it both durable and agile for high-speed flights and maneuvers. With its bold looks and groundbreaking functionality, the Lazareth LMV 496 represents a whole new level of personal transportation. The Magway system is changing how we transport goods. It's an electric, zero-emission delivery system that works through a network of underground and overground pipes. Using linear motors, it moves goods quickly and efficiently at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. It can carry up to 250 kilograms of goods, making it perfect for both small and large deliveries. This technology is all about sustainability. It's designed to help industries like distribution centers and urban hubs by making transportation faster and more eco-friendly. By streamlining logistics, the Magway system cuts down on congestion and reduces environmental harm. In a world where transportation impacts both time and the environment, the Magway system is a step forward, offering a smart solution for the future of delivery. Whether it's moving goods through cities or large-scale warehouses, it promises to make the whole process quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head. The Ola Electric Diamond Head is an exciting new electric motorcycle that's grabbing attention. Part of Ola's 2023 electric bike lineup, this model is the most unique with its bold and futuristic design. It features a D-shaped windscreen with a cool LED strip running across it, adding to its sleek appearance. The bike also has clip-on handlebars for a sporty look. One of the standout features is the oversized front swing arm, which hints at a hub-centered steering system, an innovative change from the traditional telescopic fork design used on most motorcycles. The Diamond Head also comes with a belt drive system instead of the usual chain. This makes the bike quieter and requires less maintenance, offering a smoother and more reliable ride. Pangios the Pteroyact. Pangios is a jaw-dropping idea for a giant turtle-shaped floating city, designed by Italian designer Pier Paolo Lazzarini. It's not just a yacht, it's a whole city on water. Stretching 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, it could become the biggest floating structure ever built. This massive vessel is designed to host up to 60,000 people, offering everything you'd expect in a city: hotels, shopping centers, parks, resorts, beach clubs, and even its own harbors for ships and aircraft. What makes Pangios even cooler is how it moves. It's powered by 9 all-electric engines with superconductor tech, each producing an incredible 16,800 horsepower. Plus, its wing-like design helps it glide through the water with less energy, making it more eco-friendly. Inside, you'll find all kinds of luxurious homes, from modern apartments to massive royal villas. Personal Rapid Transit. Personal Rapid Transit, PRT, is a smart and modern way to move around cities using small, driverless electric pods. These vehicles are designed to carry one person or a small group directly to their destination without making stops along the way. They run on special tracks above or alongside roads, which helps them avoid traffic and cut down on travel time. Since PRT pods are fully electric, they produce no pollution, making them an eco-friendly choice for city transportation. You can call a pod whenever you need it, just like a ride-hailing app, so there's no waiting around for buses or trains. PRT is already being used in airports, business parks, university campuses, and new smart cities across the world. It's popular because it reduces traffic jams, lowers emissions, and gives people a faster and more private way to get around. However, building these systems can be expensive, and each pod has limited space.